How to fix WLAN AutoConfig service missing in Windows 10 11. First, click the Start button on your computer. Then type Service. Then open App. Then find WLAN AutoConfig service. I see the option here. If you are missing this option, then watch the full video to find out how to solve it. The download link for the file will be provided in the video pin comment. After downloading the file, open the file. Then select Run. Select Yes. I am getting an error here because I already have the file. You will not get an error here if you do not have the file. Restart your computer after completing the entire process. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us.